ready to race, penultimate race. Gates open, that up and racing. We have Witness in Manila with Richard Biscarabrady takes command. Running on the outside, Mr. Savior, My Jopeng. Running by the rail, 1 Bahamas. Next in line is Queen's Quest as they race towards the last 600. Witness in Manila still leading the field. Mr. Savior remains in second by the rail. Third, 1 Bahamas. My Jopeng comes next. Then comes Kai Maki as they turn for home. It's still the same order. Witness in Manila leading the field. Mr. Savior, 1 Bahamas. May Bukas Spice by the rail with 150 to go. The birthday boy, Richard Biscarabrady, still leading the field. Mr. Side leveling up. The running and finally, Mr. Savior. Witness in Manila, May Bukas pa. 1 Bahamas and number 7, My Jopeng.
Ano yan, 9